Hey family, hey family, hey family. Okay, so the rolling blackouts have started. Actually, they started a few months ago. And how we know is when you sleep and you wake up because the house is still and warming up, and it wakes you out of your sleep. So from, I guess, because it be different times, but I'm just doing an estimate because it been going on. So it's happening tonight again, and it's like 2 in the morning. So normally between 1 and like 1 and 5 or 1 and 6, this is how it looks outside. This is the front of my house. That light power pole you see over there, that's like the beginning of the neighborhood. So I'm sitting outside in the truck, and I just wanted you guys to see why it is so important to at least get you a small solar generator and at least one solar panel, at least one, and keep it charged up. Why it is so important to get solar lights and bring them in your house. This whole neighborhood is dark. I'm sitting there in the truck, y'all. I don't want to have a flash on because it is Saturday. See, there's a car coming down the street. I don't want to have a flash on because I don't want to draw attention to myself, which you won't be able to see anything besides what's right in front of the camera. But I don't want to draw attention to myself because, like I said, it's 2 in the morning. It's Saturday. People are still up, and out. But at least get you one small solar generator. I'm going to link an affordable one in the description. And I'm going to link some solar lights that you can start using on an everyday basis. You take them outside, whether it's sunny or cloudy, you will get some kind of energy. It won't be a lot on a cloudy day, but you will get something, and start using them on the inside of your home. Get used to using them. I literally just woke up like, babe, it's hot in here. He like, well, the light's out again. I say, go get one of the boxes. Because they always charging every day because I use them every day. So he go to the little area and get one, bring it back, plug a fan up. Your fan will run. And I mean, it could be a box fan or one of those tall rotating fans. It'll run it all night. It'll run your CPAP machine all night. Okay? Everybody's house is dog. Ain't nobody paying attention. Ain't nobody preparing. Ain't no sense of being that damn stupid. Okay? I just wanted to get on here and do a quick video to show you guys that the blackouts, they've been started, but they get more and more frequent to the point where I'm up out of my sleep out here doing a video at 2 in the morning. Okay? And I got the camera shining where the sun rises because it's bright that way on the camera, but it's literally dark out here. Let me get it out a little bit. And then I'm going to end this video, y'all. I just want to do a little quick something. This is me outside. Because I was sitting in the truck. I'm going to walk out to the mailbox and then I'm going to get my ass on back in the house and I'm going to get on back in the bed. I'm at the mailbox, y'all. Walking back to the house. But yeah, it don't take nothing. Start little, get you a little bit at a time and a little bit at a time. And shoot, this the middle of April, and I know for a fact it's been going on since the winter. But honey, I just plugged up my little solar generator, plug the little fan up or whatever, and go on back to sleep. But I just wanted to do a little small video clip just to show you guys. And I got a lot of these lights here in the backyard too. So everybody's house is dark. Everybody. Except mine, y'all. We use these every day. Every day. Now we in the bed. Everybody in the bed here. Okay? So this is without the flash. And it's motion. I hate to show y'all because I gotta wash clothes and we barbecue, but this is without flash. This is how bright them lights is. You see how bright the light done got? Because it's 3 settings. See how I stop moving? Now watch me move. And it brights back up. So that's what I mean. And they everywhere in the house. But we have them off now because everybody's asleep. Except the one in the kitchen. Cut the flash off. There's Tuki snoring, y'all. There's 3 settings. And look how bright it get. You can see. Everybody else is in the dark. But guess who's not in the dark? We aren't. Good night. Okay, family. So, this is a bonus clip. A bonus clip. It is... Let me see. Because when the lights go out like this, I do not go to sleep. I let my husband sleep because he has to go to work. I mean, even though it's the weekend, he off, but like when it happened during the week, I normally stay up. So if I hear anything, I can wake him up, but I can let him sleep. And I, try to take a nap through the day sometimes, or sometimes I don't go to sleep till the following night, if that makes sense. But you gotta stay protected. But let's see what time it is, y'all. It is 5:52. Now, I said earlier in the video that the lights normally stay out till like 5, but it's finna be 6 o'clock in the morning. So the length of time is going on longer. It's getting longer. It's almost time for the sun to start coming up. So I guess this is gonna be the end of the video. You guys just make sure you try to invest in some of this stuff. Like, look at everybody's house. It's dark. And we all know we got lights up in here. But this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. You can see the moon. It's a crescent moon. This is gonna be the end of the video, guys. You make sure you guys stay blessed. Yep, it's time for the sun to come up. Almost time. All right, family. Peace and blessings.